Welcome everyone to Effect Nuclei channel. So till now, I have focused on compiler errors and how C++ program uh, are built. So today, I want to write a slightly more meaningful program and understand how values fully flow through a C++ program. So I am not trying to learn many things today, just one idea clearly. So let me just quickly open my VS Code. So I believe it's opening right now. Yeah, so it's already open. So now let me just quickly create a new file. So let's name it variables.pp. So let's just include iOS string and then int main, then my function. So just wait a second. Yeah. So then int main. Then let's declare a variable. So, let me just put 0 colon. Then std and colon out price is price. Let me just quickly run this program. So here we get our output. So this is this variable stores a number with the decimals. So actually, here number means price actually. So the value flow from variable to output. Now let's try changing this value to something other. Let's just write this and so Control Alt N. So yeah, so as you can see that whenever we are changing our value of price, we get an output with an updated price. So that means and this program behave differently because the value changed and nothing else changed. So let's just quickly try to do. Why not we try to make a new, let's just say a variable float. Let's say text text will be 10.0. So now the price with text is price plus text. Now, why not I just first run this. So, so as you can see that our output is right now. Let me just put a space here. 30.05. So actually it does the all the calculation here and then print the result here. So why not we try assigning it to a new variable? Let's just cut it and then enter. Then let's say final price. Let's just give it the same data type. Not final price is equal to this. And now let's just, and also I forgot to write. So this is an optional statement for now. This let's just write it to this is an optional statement for now. Let's just try to run it and see. Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. So as you can see that we have missed an semicolon. So that's the most common error that we can face. So let's just see what it says. Yeah, so it says that it expected either comma or semicolon before standard std. So that's the same thing. Now let's why not use this shortcut right now. So I have run this program and voila, I got the same output as the previous one. You will see that 30.05, 30.05. So that means we can values can be combined. The result is stored in another variable, and C++ forces me to be explicit about every step. So why not we try. Mm, yeah, why not we just try to remove this and see if this run or not. And yeah, we get an output, and the output says that the final price was not declared in this scope. So that means we must explicitly uh, type data type here for everything to be robust and running. So as you can see that, yeah. So the compiler is using actually the previous error is occur actually because the compiler is saying I'm using something that doesn't exist yet. So from this video, I got to know that. Let me just show my screen really quick. So I'm starting to see why C++ strict feel is strict. It forces me to be clear about where values come from and how they change. The strictness actually makes program more predictable. That means I can see if I do something wrong or I get an error, where could be the possible issue here. So if you think I should practice this more before moving on, so let me know. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching this video. So please like, share, and subscribe. Yeah.